Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to add to wishlist on AliExpress. First of all, what you have to do is launch open AliExpress application. You can see over here I've opened it. Make sure you're logged in to your account. Initially, you'll be led to the home interface. You'll be able to find various items over here. Simply tap on the icon that you would like to add to the wish list. If you do not find the item over here, you can also search for it. For that, what you can do is tap on the search bar. Now after you do that, you can see over here you'll be able to search for the item. Simply search for the item and you'll be able to see the results. Here I'm just going to add the item to wish list from the home interface. For that, simply tap on the item of your choice. Now you can see over here that particular item will be opened up. You'll be able to find the details regarding that particular item. So if you want to add it to wish list, what you have to do is simply look at the bottom right corner of the photo of that item. Right over here, you'll be able to find the heart icon. What you have to do is tap on it. Now after you do that, you can see over here it has been added to the wish list. You can also view it by simply tapping on the option view all. So like this, you'll be able to add the items to wish list. So that is how you add to wish list on AliExpress. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.